What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in, guys. Another day is in the books, which means we had another chance to get in our bag and do what we do. I told you guys in yesterday's video, massive moves was coming. And so today we're going to unpack that because I got to prepare you for tomorrow. Remember, Monday sets the tone, but Friday sets the standard. So I got to make sure we're on point for tomorrow. You guys, make sure you keep it locked. Make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, listen, a quick recap of what took place today, but I want you to get extremely excited about what's to come. Today, what we saw was a cool off in the tech sector, but a blast off in the Russell 2000 or the IWM. Finally, the other stocks, the other sectors are joining the party. What this signifies is that we got more room to go higher on the way, okay? Now listen, today, I want you guys to look at this pullback. Hopefully you took some profit. You've been kicking butt and taking names. You should have taken some profit. You should have let your stop loss do its thing. You should have let your runners run. And now that we finally had a cool off in tech, mind you, other stocks took off. And that's what I need to make sure I teach you guys about. There's always going to be opportunity long as you guys got the right mix or got a clear understanding on what's next to move, okay? Really quick though, Google, okay, ticker symbol GOOGL was down 2.93% on the day. Everything I'm gonna name for you today, if you guys are interested in investing and trading with tech stocks, all right? These are what we call buy the dip opportunities. Don't miss this generational opportunity because you don't understand what's going on. This is that cool off. This is that pullback that I always tell you. Stocks gonna run. You might have felt like you missed it. Somebody might feel like they missed Tesla. I'm gonna talk about them in a minute. Now you about to get a chance to get in without buying it way up high. Get in way down here. And guess what it's gonna do, guys? Over the next couple days, it's gonna run right back up to where it fell from. These are called pullbacks. These are called buy the dip opportunities. Google was down 2.93% today. Tesla, sitting way down here at 235 at the time of this recording, was down over 10.5%. Okay, so they got smacked completely. Okay, they definitely pulled the rug from them. But guess what? The structure is still in place. The chart still look good. Supports is still holding up. We got to come down way further than this before the tide changes, okay? So you need to know that. Check this out. NVIDIA was down 6.5% today, sitting currently at $126. The ticker symbol on this one is NVDA, all right? NVIDIA, long as they stay above 120, you got 122, I should say, just to give you some wiggle room. All of this has the potential for tomorrow and next week to run right back up to 128 and recapture 130 and then get busy again, okay? So again, this is that pullback. Did you feel like you missed the party? Did anybody miss out on this run? Yeah, I know a lot of us caught the run, made our money. I got so many messages, emails, text messages, the whole nine. You guys have had your first winning day, first winning month, first winning week. So I know you guys getting busy, but look, for the others that have felt like they missed this is that pullback. I always say, if you miss one, treat it like buses, treat it like trains, catch the next one. This is the next one. Has come down. This is a perfect opportunity. Okay, if it come down a little more tomorrow, you should be rubbing your hands like, okay, this is what Coach was talking about. Get it in low, because whether it's tomorrow, Monday, or Tuesday, it's going back higher, okay? NVIDIA is preparing to do the same thing. These are called higher lows, okay? It ran up from 120 to 140. It came down to 122, ran up to 138. Now it's 126, it's gonna run back to 136. You guys get what I'm trying to say? This is that. It's just Coach telling you in advance. Check this one out. AMD still is holding that 180. I told you guys, major salute if you have did your thing at AMD. We got this much lower than this, but it blasted to and through 180, went all the way up to our target and got rejected. But look, It's now what was once resistance is now operating as support. Okay, so again, 178, 177 and 180 will be the little area they try to push it down to. Long as we keep getting back above 180, guess what? Like I told you, we got room to continue higher, okay? Exactly to those same levels. You've seen the levels now. They showed you the levels, so you already know where it's going to try to get back to once the positive momentum comes back. These are buy the dip opportunities, so don't miss this generational opportunity to do your thing. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, was down 4% today, sitting at 27.18. Again, still at our price target. Okay, knocked on the door 28, couldn't quite get through. What did I tell you? It's gonna knock 3 times and then it's gonna blast through to $30. But you gotta let the process run its course, okay? Stay consistent with this. Then Apple came down 2.1% today. The ticker symbol on that one is AAPL. This one is sitting at 228, okay? Again, from 233, it fell all the way down to 225. That's like almost an $8 move, give or take. But it hit support around 225. Support is really 224, but nevertheless, close enough. It bounced back up. Again, if we have positive momentum come back into the market tomorrow, these things will get back on this horse as early as tomorrow, okay? Then you'll have the IWM taking off, then you have the tech stocks taking off, then you have the consumer discretionary taking off, and next thing you know, we'll have an all-out rally in the market. That's why I don't want you guys to miss this opportunity, okay? And then what else I got for you guys? Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. This one was down 2.35% today, sitting at 195. Again, it got knocked down from 200. 200 was the level I told you guys this would reach, but we have a battle at 200. When we break 200, this is gonna fly. Whenever something has a battle this long at a level, it's gonna fly once it finally breaks through. But guess what? You gotta be patient. You gotta have time on your side. You gotta actually allow it to break through. When it does, be ready and be prepared for takeoff. Sitting down here at 195, we still in striking range. Matter of fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it got back to 197 to 199 as early as tomorrow, okay? If we have a green day, a positive day, okay? And then I'm gonna wrap it up with this, the SPY. The SPY was down 0.73% today. I'm saying not even 1%. It's closing and sitting right now at 557. As long as we, despite this sell-off we had today in the market, in tech stocks particularly, as long as we are above 554, guys, this still looks good. This didn't even get on my radar as for me to tell you doom and gloom type of, you know what I'm saying, things. I'm still bullish. This is what we call buy the dip opportunities. And so again, I want you guys to be looking out for another test of support. Think about the levels you saw today held up and where it bounced from. So that will be your support. You've seen what you've seen with your own eyes today. So I want you to rely on that in your trading tomorrow. Remember, Friday sets the standard. So I want you guys to be sharp. I want you guys to execute at a high level on tomorrow, okay? Whatever stock you choose to play, okay? But with that being said, look at the levels they tested today. That will be an indicator of where your entries, where your support levels will be for tomorrow. If they fail and they go lower, okay, you gotta just bag up and let it run its course. But if you see it hold, you should let your radar go off. Okay, boom, this is what Coach meant. Okay, I saw Apple come to 224, 225 today. If I see 225 tomorrow and it's still holding strong at that level, let me buy a call and take it back to 230. Okay, I seen NVIDIA come down to 226 today. If NVIDIA come down to 226, 224, Coach said that's still to maintain our bullish nature on the position. Boom, get a call, you take that back to 130. Okay, if you see Tesla going down and you still see that it's holding and maintaining the levels that it came from, you get bullish, because guess what? It's going right back to the upside, okay? Again, but you be patient. You don't guess, you don't front run, you react. And that's what I want you guys to make sure you are doing. You're reacting, but you're doing it based off of technicals, okay? This is how you become surgical. It all goes together, okay? So listen, guys, this is a generational buying opportunity that has presented itself. I just don't want you to miss the train this time, okay? This is a final opportunity for this next leg higher for you to get on the right side of the trade, okay? And listen, no matter what you do, you place your stop loss wherever you get in at. If you get in at support, you put your stop loss right underneath, just in case something like today happened. Boom, you get stopped out, okay? You can pivot, you can change course. You can see, oh, we going down today, let me go down with it. Or I don't wanna go down, but I wanna get my money up out of there, okay? But nevertheless, I'm gonna be looking for a retest of support. I'm gonna use support as my entry as long as it holds up. As long as I don't see it failing, I'm gonna look at that like, yep, this is my chance to get in. This is my chance to get busy. This is my chance to do my thing, okay? That's what it's all about, guys. Listen, I won't hold you guys up. Great job today. If you made money, let me know down in the comments below. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. If you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stuff using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.